Man, I wasn't able to film us loading because obviously, you know, can't film everything. But I'm surprised y'all even want to see this shit, which I'm sure half of y'all don't give a fuck about it or anything else. But hey, I'm gonna keep my word. The trunk. So I even got these stupid ass dolls in there, make it look like somebody riding, but they're fake. So yes, we about to get going. Got everything dollied down. Got to make sure the tires and everything is dollied down. know, gotta get fuel. Even though I'm driving the truck, I still got a habit of coming to truck stops for my fuel. I want to show y'all this real quick, but look at the people driving the car, driving with Lainey. Look at Lainey. But I'm gonna try to zoom in. Somebody must have had a real bad day. Look at this right here. We about to get some healthy food too. That shit must have burnt to the grizzle. Golly, they must have had it really bad. I don't know how that got burnt down, but it did. So, children, let's go. Look at you, though. You better put some lotion on your face. But yeah, we're gonna try that Subway and get something to get on the road. Hey, y'all, budget cheaper than U-Haul. Man, it is a total difference. From going down south from the north to going from the south to the north. Like as far as price-wise. Price-wise, it was $1,000, a bit over $1,000 to have this budget. And from down south, it was like $700. But yeah, we're gonna get something to eat. I'll be back.
Oh! Bruh, y'all want to be...
Now he want to be camera shy. Victor want to be camera shy all of a sudden. Well, I guess I can't really entertain because I can't really touch the camera and everything. So, just, hey Victor, tilt it so that it can see everybody. Like do a 360 type of thing. You the cameraman anyway. So, yeah, get Chris a little funny butt up in me.
It can only get us.
It can only get y'all three. For real. So, matter of fact, since you on camera, Big Vic, tell the people how you doing because they always say that they're concerned. They want to know how you doing. You want to tell them?
Okay, I'm doing better, greater than I was, and I can walk better and live and play. And can late train. Yep. And that's all.
Okay. So, the question is, are you still healthy enough to still be the cameraman for Keep the 100's channel?
Yeah.
For real? So you gonna be the filmer dude from time to time? What about you, Nicole?
Like,
yeah, okay. Hey, word. Alright, so y'all stay tuned and I guess we just gonna film it as we keep the journey popping. So we about to turn up because obviously everything turned up on these videos about putting in my video as a copyright. So I don't want to do no copyrights. So I'll holler back at y'all. Alright, thank y'all. Love y'all. No exit. Which I think we will be able to. And I'm hoping that we can. So, yeah, I'll sit here for a minute. Matter of fact, she can hold on. Lady, she even eat. So, you know, still using Pilot Rewards card. Obviously, on these trucks, the gas tank is on the driver's side, and it takes unleaded fuel. Open the fuel cap slowly. Contents may be under pressure. Use unleaded fuel only. Customer is responsible for all charges incurred due to misfueling of this vehicle. Check oil and tire pressure after fueling. If fuel cap is not tightened securely, check engine light may illuminate it. Oh yes, don't forget your fuel cap, guys. Look at Chrissy pull. So yeah. No, because I took her for a walk. So I gotta put this. I think it's in there. Is it in there? Shit. Yeah. Is this like regular fuel or what? Or is this DEF? DEF, so here, regular fuel. Okay. You know what? They have the green is diesel. So that's a good thing, because my dumb self would have put diesel in there. The regular fuel, we're not doing diesel today, guys. We're doing regular gasoline. Gasoline and diesel fuel are two different things. So I guess when you come in here, you know, just with your regular vehicle, the regular pump is black and diesel is green. What is such an easy mix-up if you don't know that, because I'm just so used to going in the diesel aisle. But obviously this is regular gasoline aisle, so yeah, almost put. Good thing it didn't fit. Good thing they make the sizes different. Look at them. Where Nicole at?
Right there.
Hey Nicole. Hey girl. Hey. Look at all of them here. I need to do his twist. I am too. Boy, lotion your face right now. So we gonna see where this thing stops at. Look at him trying to play with lane. So you want to take her for a walk, Bumpy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where the leash at?
Hold up, give me a second, homie. No.
It's my
If I can find my key. No duh.
The key's in there.
Oh yeah, the key is in the
Gasoline smells good.
the key is, oh Lord. Yeah, I used to like the smell of gasoline when I was little too. But you know, it ain't good to be smelling it like that. That carbon monoxide kills folks. Oh my goodness. Look at this silly thing. The leash is on the other side with her.
Okay.
Look at this thing. I guess she's performing for y'all. That's a performance of a lifetime you'll never get again. Okay, all right, all right. Is that a stretch or a dance? Okay, got you. So, hopefully this will give me a full tank, guys. I'm praying that it will. I'm praying that I can make this full turn out of here, because everybody wants to do that dance. I can't even do it. I'm so rhythmless. I have no rhythm. See if I can make this turn out of here. I know I'm not a tractor trailer, but I still have some length. So, really. All right. Yeah, so I think I'll be able to make this turn. It's not as long as it looks, but it's long enough though. So hopefully $40 will get me to a full tank. So it clicked, click. Put this doggone thing back at the right place. My dumb self about to put freaking diesel in a gasoline engine. And I'm mad because I ain't got no gloves. I'm used to wearing gloves when fueling. So, all right, so that's on there pretty good. All right, she just like her mama. Just like her mama. So let's see what this got us, y'all. Hold up. All right. Shit, damn near full. That'll work.